Assalamu alaikum kids. Good morning to all. Hope everyone is fine today. Okay kids, today we are going to start our maths workbook and maths copy work as well. Both are very easy work. You learn and write both work, okay? First of all, we done maths workbook, modern mathematics, okay? Everyone have this book now. So page number 11, come on the next page. This page is for your homework. Write date and day at the top of the line, okay? And the topic is count and write how many. आपके सामने ये फ्रूट्स दिए गए हैं, फ्रूट्स की पिक्चर्स हैं. You have to count which fruit is required for you, how many. Count and write how many. First of all, ask the question how many bananas are there. This is the banana na? So how many bananas are there? Count in this row bananas. 1, 2, 3. How many bananas are there? 3. You have to write here 3. Okay. So the next one is how many strawberries are there? You have to count strawberries from this column and write over here how many strawberries. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many strawberries are there? 5 strawberries. Come on the third question. How many mangoes are there? So count the mangoes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 mangoes are there. Sorry, 6 mangoes are there. Come on the second last, how many pineapples are there? How many pineapples are there? Count and write. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many pineapples are there? 4 pineapples. So you have to write here 4. And the last one is how many pears are there? How many pears are there? Count in this column. Where is the pears column? Here is pear column. So count and write how many pears. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 pears are there. So in this way you have to solve this worksheet on workbook page number 11. Okay. Now come on the next page on copy work. What have you to do on the copy work? First of all, you know what to do. First of all, you have to write date and day. What is date and what is day? Okay. And the topic for write your name. Write your name here. And the topic is spelling and numbers 11 to 15. So you have already done 11 and 12. Now today you have to write 13, 14 and 15. These are very easy spelling, so I mentioned threes together. Okay. So what is the spelling of 11? Everyone tell me. E-L-E-V-E-N 11. What is the spelling of 11? E-L-E-V-E-N 11. 12. What is the spelling of 12? T-W-E-L-V-E 12. What is the spelling of 12? T-W-E-L-V-E. Now the new spellings are 13, 14 and 15. So what is the spelling of 13? T-H-I-R 13. T-E-E-N teen. 13. 13. 13. These are two parts in 13. T-H-I-R T-E-E-N teen. So what is the spelling of 14? You have to write the spelling of 4 and next the spelling of teen. T-E-E-N teen. 14. F-O-U-R 4. T-E-E-N teen. These are also two parts. 14. 15. Fifth. F-I-F. Fifth. T-E-E-N teen. 15. What is the spelling of 15? F-I-F. Fifth. T-E-E-N teen. 15. So in this way you have to write 11, 12, 13, 14 and 15 and you have to write the spelling 13, 14, 15, and you also learn it. Okay, when you learn these spelling, send me an audio on my number. Okay, thank you and Allah Hafiz.